How's it going, everyone? I want to walk you through the trade we caught this morning during the live. It was the basic orb strategy entry. Let's just get right to it. Anyways, here's the 15-minute range. I was looking for the 15-minute orb confirmation here. For that to happen, we have to have the high volume breakout candle right to confirm it. We had that here. This candle here confirmed the trade for me. Grizzology confirmed the retest, but even with Grizzology confirming, I could not take it right here at VWAP. I had to wait on the pullback. So I told everyone, pull back to the 120s. I'm going to take my short entry there. We got the pullback here. This candle here looks nice and green, closed, but it had a very nice push down before pushing up. We got a trim off. We almost got a second trim off at low of day, but as you can see, it barely missed low of day. I didn't trim, came back up to my entry. So after my first trim, I moved my stop to entry. That way, it was a green trade regardless. That's exactly what happened. It came up and got my entry and climbed on low volume to high a day, which is, when I see that climb up, kind of tells me we could reject this high a day hard. I'm not sticking around. I'm not crazy about price action this morning. We've had 2 winning trades this week, 0 losses so far, which I'm very happy about. If you have any questions regarding this trade or just the lives or trading in general, please drop them in the comments. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.